Problem 29. The sum of a number n and 14 is 72. Which equation shows this relationship? The sum of a number n and 14 is 72. The answer is A. 14 plus n is the same as n plus 14 by the commutative property. Problem 30. If x equals 4 and y equals 3, then x times y minus 2x equals x times y would be 4 times 3 minus 2 times x, which is 4. Order of operations: multiplication, subtraction, multiplication. Multiplication is done first. 4 times 3 is 12 minus 2 times 4 is 8. We took care of the two multiplications. Subtraction: 12 minus 8, 4. The answer is A. Question 31. If m equals 3 and n equals 5, what is the value of 4m plus mn? This is 4 times m and this is m times n being added. 4 times m would be 4 times 3 plus m times n. Four times 3 plus 3 times 5. 12 plus 15 equals 27. The answer is B. Which operation will change the value of any non-zero number? Non-zero number. Let's say we have 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 1, 1. 1 divided by 1, 1. Change the value. This is the one that changed. The answer is B. Problem 33. Which property is used in the equation below? Twelve times x plus 4 quantity is 12 times x plus 12 times 4. 12 times x plus 12 times 4. That's the distributive property. The 12 is being distributed to the x and the 4. Problem 34. Which expression is equivalent to 3x minus 3y? in this expression we see that both numbers are being multiplied by 3, meaning the x and the y have a coefficient of 3. So we can look at it as 3 times x minus y. This is the inverse, doing the opposite of the problem above. We can see that if we apply the distributive property, we get this product. So this is the undoing of the distributive property. B. Problem 35. Which of the following equations illustrates the inverse property of multiplication? This property tells us that for any number n, there is another number m that when you multiply them, the answer is 1. For this to be true, we would have to have something like 3 times some number equals 1. 4 times some number equals 1. After looking at this carefully, we notice that that number in this case would be 1/3, and in this case it would be 1/4. And that the relationship between these two numbers is that this number is the reciprocal of this. So the inverse property of multiplication can also be said as a number and times its reciprocal equals 1. A number times its reciprocal equals 1. Let's try a fraction. A number times its reciprocal equals 1. The answer is A. Problem 36. Which equation shows the distributive property? So we have the distributive property. Four times 3 is 12, 4 times 6 is 24. So we can see that the 4 has been distributed and we get this. In this example, we have the associative property combined with the, well, actually the commutative property, the identity property of addition, and the associative property. The numbers are being associated differently. The answer is A.